Hello everyone. I woke up this morning thinking of a story. I'm trying to get the light just right. I didn't turn on any. This is what happens when you have transition lenses. It's like all green or not green. All green or not green. Okay, I would just have to sit back here. I wanted to come out here and tell you about a story about waiting and taking charge of your future and goal setting and what you have planned for 2025. One of my very last cleans, and you might have heard me mention this story before, and you might not. I'll try to sit still so it's not so glary on my glasses. We used to clean a lot for Cleaning for a Reason. It was like $6,000 worth of cleaning every single year. And one of the very last cleanings, or like cleaning before the last, I had this lady who had just moved up to our area. Everybody always wants to live in northern Arizona. And she had worked at this job, and she had been there for 30 years or 20 years, and she absolutely hated this job. All she wanted to do was retire and move up here. So we're on the couch. I'm waiting for the cleaning tech to show up. They're late. I always like to meet and greet with the cancer patients, so I can kind of get a feel and a scope of the job, even though because they are free. We're giving away 2 free cleanings, and it's a certain amount of time, and it's something that I obligated myself to give back to my community. So we're sitting there chatting, and she proceeds to tell me her life story, and I'm like, I am not good with the Cleaning for a Reason patients because all I do is blubber on the couch, and I feel bad. I mean, it's just awful to listen to so many stories. But what struck me the most about this individual, she had worked at this place that she absolutely hated, wanted to retire, to move up here where I am, and she ended up getting terminal cancer like 6 months after she moved here. So she had to give away her bird, and this is the reason why we started talking. I have an African gray, she has an African gray, and she got a dog that, you know, she was going to go hiking. She had all these plans, and it was really a sad reality to have her say, you know, don't wait to take the opportunity today, because you never know what tomorrow's going to bring. And at this point, I'm blubbering. Tears are running down my face. I'm feeling uncomfortable. I don't know what to say to this person. I don't even know how to console them. You know, she's too big for me to scoop up and pat like a baby, right? But all I could do is, like, I kept looking at my watch because I'm waiting for the cleaning tech to come, because I'm starting to feel really uncomfortable. But the key message that this person told me was, don't wait, take action today, invest in yourself. And that is the moral of my story. I hope that you take the opportunity to invest in yourself, and part of that investment is either through me or for somebody else. There's the Structure, Scale, and Profit Cleaning Business Academy. Today's the last day of the flash sale. There is the Cleaning Business Collective Momentum, which is an actual real mastermind. I had 40 of you guys who are interested. I'm waiting for you guys to finalize your payment so we can get moving on that. That starts in January. It's 6 months long, and it really will be community with your peers. If you've never participated in a real mastermind. And then I'm getting ready to launch the membership, so we're going to change the way we sell things so that people can have access to those on a monthly basis. So I'm hoping that you see the story that I shared with you as a reason why you need to take action. So whether it's through me or through somebody else, investing in yourself is something that no one can take away from you. Educating yourself is something that no one can take away from you. Making yourself a better cleaner, a better business owner, a better business manager, a better hiring person is your opportunity to do the best for you and your family and your business. If you have any questions, I'm happy to chat. Go ahead and reach out. Most of you guys know how to get a hold of me.